Some news just coming in. Well, at a time when Delhi is gasping for breath, Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has refused to talk on this matter. He was at Salasar Dham in Rajasthan's Churu when reporters asked him about Delhi's air quality, to which he responded, "We'll talk about it later."
सर, आज भी वही सादगी है आपकी देखने में आई है कि मीडिया से आपने बात किया, लेकिन सर हल्का सा पोल्यूशन आपने यहाँ भी देखा हुआ, दिल्ली का देखा हुआ, किस तरह से पोल्यूशन बोलो बालाजी महाराज।
Devankur is getting us more details on that story. He joins us from Jaipur. Dev, it does appear that this really is a case of misplaced priorities. Just talk to us about what the Chief Minister essentially was doing in Rajasthan, in Churu, and also this refusal to take any questions or address any concerns about air pollution. This just reeks of callousness, doesn't it?
Well, clearly, Sneha, at this point in time, the residents of Delhi are in a bad shape. They have been troubled by a thick layer of smog for the last several days. And there have been several reasons that have been attributed to that, including that of stubble burning, of firecrackers being busted before, after, and on Diwali. But the fact is that even though the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal was on a visit to Rajasthan on a personal visit, he was at Salasar Dham in Rajasthan's Churu district to offer his prayers to God Balaji. But when he was asked about a pointed question with regard to pollution, he skirted and evaded that question, mentioning that we'll talk later about pollution. So clearly, as you mentioned, a case of misplaced priorities, a case of not being sensitive enough or being callous about an issue which really has been troubling Delhiites, not just this year, but for the last several years. Around this point in time of the year, Delhiites have been troubled by a thick layer of smog and pollution, and there have been several factors which have been attributed to that. But clearly, the Delhi Chief Minister refusing to address that concern, to address the media and to a larger section of people of a state which he rules,
yes,
and not addressing that concern, evading that question and moving away from there. Sneha?
Dev, thanks so much for getting us up to speed with those developments.